Hey everybody, it is Tracy Chen, and today let's talk about the work restrictions for student visa holders. Now, there have been some updates, so let's go through them one by one. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the principal lawyer at Mason Chen Law Group. You can find me on Instagram at Tracy_migration or on TikTok. My TikTok handle is Migration Lawyer. There has been a little bit too much going on in immigration at the moment. I am literally struggling to keep up. I am trying to find out the latest updates, understand them, share them with my team, make sure they understand them, and then share them with our clients as well as our followers. This was announced on the 9th of May 2023, so last week, and to be honest, I don't even know at what time. I just remember checking the website sometime at night. I was in bed and then I saw this. There was no notice, there wasn't an official post or anything like that. I just happened to come across it. And this is in relation to the work restrictions for student visa holders. Now, there's a couple of different cohorts here, so let's go through them one by one. First of all, if you are a student visa holder and you are not working in the aged care sector, this applies to you. Right now, you can work unlimited hours. However, as of the 1st of July 2023, work restrictions for student visa holders will be reintroduced. So you will only be allowed to work up to 48 hours per fortnight while you have a course in session. Now, this applies to student visa holders who are studying a certificate, a diploma, a bachelor, and a master's degree. Anything above a master's degree, so for example, a master's by research as well as a PhD, different restrictions apply. You can work up to unlimited hours for those degrees. However, check it case by case. So for example, if you're on a PhD scholarship, although the department may allow you to work unlimited, your school will not allow you to work unlimited. So for those, check it case by case. But for this part, I'm only referring to people who are studying a certificate, a diploma, a bachelor, or a master's by coursework degree. Now again, for your dependents, it's going to be a little bit different as well. Dependents of student visa holders who are studying certificate, diploma, bachelor are restricted to also only working 48 hours per fortnight. However, if you are a dependent of a student visa holder who is studying a master's by coursework degree, you are allowed to work unlimited working hours. So I hope that part was pretty clear for those who are not working in aged care. Time is up. As of the 1st of July 2023, work restrictions are going to be reintroduced. I have a table of work conditions somewhere, so I'll post that up on my Instagram. I'll flag it somewhere so you guys can go back and look for it as well. Now, let's talk about the new announcement last week, announced on the 9th of May 2023. These are for student visa holders studying any course who were already working in the aged care sector as of the 9th of May 2023. If that is you, you'll be allowed to work unrestricted hours in the aged care sector until the 31st of December 2023. Now, there's still a few things I would like them to clarify, but it's always like this. They drop a bomb on us and we are unsure about how to interpret it or whether if our interpretation is actually correct. But the way I read this is, first of all, you must already be working in the aged care sector as of the 9th of May 2023. So that's pretty clear. You can't go and get a job now in the aged care sector. Secondly, it just says you have to be working in the aged care sector. It doesn't limit this to any certain occupations. Basically, looks like any occupation can work as long as you're working in the aged care sector. So I would say this includes your cooks, your chefs, your ICT business analysts, your nurses, whatever, as long as you are working in the aged care sector. And to further clarify, I don't think this includes the disability support sector. So there's a lot of people who are also working in disability care, and unfortunately to me, this does not include that. So if you are someone who is working in the disability support sector, you will still be restricted to 48 hours per fortnight as of the 1st of July 2023. A lot of things happened during COVID and they relaxed the working hours for student visa holders, but now the cap on working hours has been reintroduced. And that has a lot to do with maintaining the integrity of the program. Student visa holders are meant to come to Australia and study. They're not really supposed to work. You can work a little bit to support yourself and help out here and there, but your role is isn't here to work full time. It is here to study. So that's why it has been introduced and it's going back to normal. For those who are working in aged care, you've got a couple more months left now. You've got until the 31st of December 2023, but do be very careful. Although you're working full time, please ensure you maintain your course enrollment, ensure that you have satisfactory course attendance and satisfactory course progress. Because if you do not comply with any of these decisions, it could be reported back to the department, which can affect your student visa, also result in your student visa being cancelled. So I hope that was helpful in clarifying some of your questions in regards to the work conditions of student visa holders. If you want to get in contact with myself or one of our fantastic lawyers, our contact details are below. I have also released mini courses on courses.tracymigration.com.au if you want to learn about Australian immigration. Any topics you want me to talk about, drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with people who need it.